Is the difference the analysis, the sort of microbiome biomarkers that we're using here, or is there more than that? Is it really about 360? Where does the power lie?
So the clearly the unique value comes from the microbiome analysis combined with the algorithm, the smart data system, the computational biology that it's linked with. That's a unique value. What we've done is we've combined that with a very strong 360 and behavioral approach. Part of my career was being a founder of Accolade, which was all about the social context of care and the behavioral, emotional context of care. So I come at it with that bias. Melinda has that same bias from being involved in the actual development of programs for Jocelyn for so many years and seeing that human element. So it's all of the above, but clearly the microbiome analysis and the computational biology development of algorithms to use that data are key components.